Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to my video. And today, in this video, we're going to discuss the next topic in the part 3, disciplinary intersections of part 13. And the title is Comparative Literature in the Age of Digital Humanities on Possible Future for a Discipline. Comparative Media Studies. Although there is a little doubt that so-called visual children of the 20th century positively influenced comparative literary and textual studies by expanding the horizon of comparative literary and textual studies into the field of art history, photography, film, and perhaps to a lesser extent, television, digital media pose a more fundamental challenge because they change not only the assumption of the media that are built into the works we have traditionally studied, the formal material qualities of the surface structure on which inscriptions are made, the technical process of reproduction and circulation, the institutional mechanism of dissemination and authorization, the reading and navigation practices made possible by media form, and the broad cultural and social implication for literary and knowledge production are all advanced in comparative literature. As a comparative media study, it examines all media as information and knowledge systems that are linked to historical powers, institutions, and regulatory bodies that legitimize and authorize certain utterance while filtering out and ignoring others. Next, comparative data studies. Scholars can now conduct increasingly complex searches, discover patterns, and potentially export sizable database, originating from digital book transport repositories to other applications, such as geographic information system. In order to pursue quantitative questions such as static or relation publishing history and semantic analysis, as well as qualitative hermeneutical question, over the last 5 years, the field of cultural analysis has evolved, driven by the work of Lev Manovich and Noah Wardrip-Brun to provide cutting-edge computer analysis and data visualization tools for analyzing massive cultural database. Next, comparative authorship and platform studies. While design interactively navigation strategies and collaboration are not generally addressed in comparative literature scholarship, they are an integral part of the domains of comparative writing and platform studies. Knowledge platform cannot be left solely to technicians, publishers, and librarians, as if knowledge curation, the structuring of physical and virtual information as arguments via a constellation of multimedia, is somehow outside the purview of literary scholars. Scholars typically hand over the contents of their manuscript to publishers, who do the layout, design, editing, printing, and dissemination of the work in the print model. However, this work has now moved to the forefront of the digital humanities precisely because interface choice. Interactivity, database design, navigation access, and dissemination are all part of how arguments are staged in the digital world. And that's it, our discussion for today's topic. And thank you for watching. See you again next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.